Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to download your Dropbox backups. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, in case you don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. This right here is the interface, and right now, I just want to download my backup. At the top, on the navbar, right next to invite members, you will see a button like this, that is explore more Dropbox apps. Simply click on it, and from here let's scroll right over to backup. It's under the explore more section. Once you click on it, a page like this will open up, and this right here is my backup. Let's say I want to download it. On the rightmost section of this backup name, you will see these three dots. Simply click on it. Do note from here you can rename, delete and download. For now I'm going to click on the download button. And guys, as you can see, the backup is being downloaded. And guys, that's about it. That's how we download your Dropbox backup. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.